In a latest development, the Supreme Court has stayed all ongoing investigations by the ED into alleged irregularities at the Tamil Nadu state-run liquor distribution arms, the Tamil Nadu Markets Corporation, which is TASMAC. A bench comprising Chief Justice B.R. Gavai and Justice A.G. Masih reprimanded the ED, stating that the agency had been crossing all limits. In recent investigations, the court issued a notice to the ED regarding a special leave petition filed by TASMAC, challenging the Madras High Court's 23rd April order that dismissed 3 writ petitions filed by the state and TASMAC. These petitions sought to declare search and seizure illegal. The Supreme Court bench orally questioned the legality of the ED's actions, particularly its decision to register a case against a corporation. Sambhav Sharma, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast to talk more about this. Sambhav, so there is, this update where the Enforcement Directorate now is being pulled up by the Supreme Court for overreach in terms of its powers and in terms of its jurisdiction.
Well, the comments made by Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai, are important here to note, and the CJI, B.R. Gavai, has questioned Enforcement Directorate on various fronts, especially violating the Constitution and also violating the federal structure, questioned the Enforcement Directorate for violating the federal structure of Indian Constitution, and also in an oral remark, CJI said that the ED is passing all its limits. So this is big in the sense that the Chief Justice of India, the Supreme Court, has come down heavily on Enforcement Directorate, and this matter was in Tamil Nadu government has filed a petition in the Supreme Court against the Madras High Court's order of upholding an ED Enforcement Directorate searches in Tamil Nadu State Marketing Corporation. And these were the remarks made by Supreme Court when the matter reached here. And also the Supreme Court has stayed the proceedings in this particular matter. And when it comes to the background of the case, the Enforcement Directorate raided several locations of this Tamil Nadu State Marketing Corporation in March, and also as per the lawyer who appeared for Tamil Nadu government, that is Senior Advocate Kapil Sibal, he said that mass phone cloning is happening of the employees, and that should not be that should not happen at the first place. However, on the other side, Additional Solicitor General S.P. Raju, who appeared for Enforcement Directorate in this matter, has said that this is a 1,000 crore fraud and we are investigating the matter. And earlier, Madras High Court has allowed Enforcement Directorate probe in this alleged 1,000 crore scam in TASMAC, and now Supreme Court has stayed the further proceedings and made these particular remarks.
Advocate Vineet Jindal also joins us on the program to talk more about this. Advocate Jindal, well, the Supreme Court has pulled up the Enforcement Directorate. Do you think this will have an impact on the way the agency has been conducting its affairs for the last few years?
Yes, Vineet, I definitely agree upon this, because there are several incidents and several investigations which is under question. The way ED has been overreaching their power, even when the search and seizure has been done in the places, several places like in this matter, the specific question has been asked by the Supreme Court today that how the mobile cloning and this kind, when the truth has been coming before the Supreme Court, they have questioning upon this. So definitely there are power for the investigation agency, but when they are overreaching their power and violating the right of privacy and right of freedom of speech and expressions, and the investigation in the other manner, definitely this should be taken care by the judiciary, as we have seen in this matter that Madras High Court has already been declined their request, and now the Supreme Court is taking care of this matter. The petition has been filed by the government to the Supreme Court. So definitely there are something which is wrong with the ED, and I think the very competent authority has been doing this kind of act and this kind of wrong going on during the investigation. That is very concerning, and hope that everything should be in appropriate manner and should be in order soon. So the purpose of this agency should not be defeated. Why this agency has been created, that should be not be defeated, and the purpose of agency should be there, and the rule of law should be taken care by the